Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Binayak and welcome to Keyowrd Social. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you one tool that are going to help you a lot when you are building out your Google Ads campaign and building different keyword match types. In the previous video, we have pulled out some data from the keyword planner. As I promised that I'm going to share the tool in this video, so this will be a follow-up video on this, right? So if you are new to this channel, basically what I do, I talk about lead generation for local businesses, primarily using paid ads. So let's start the video. If you are familiar with Google Ads, you know that writing various keyword match types in the Google Ads campaign is really frustrating, because you have to go through every keywords and you have to type everything manually, right? This is so frustrating. So this is the tool I actually use to create match types, because it will help you to generate various keyword match types with one click, right? So these are the keywords that we pulled out from our last video. So I'm gonna copy these keywords right over here and I'm gonna paste it over here, right? And then we need to click wrap keywords, and it will now create variations of match types. You will get modified, broad, phase, exact. It will create various types of keywords that can help you out building out various keyword match types for your Google Ads campaign. All you need to do, you have to put your keyword right over here, then you have to click wrap keywords, and then you will get the match types. Every time when I do Google Ads, I always go with phrase and exact match. So I'm gonna copy this, right click over here, copy, and paste into my Google Ads campaign. So that's it for today's video. I don't actually want to roam on too long about the tool, but if you do want to see other tutorial videos, I actually have planned few important videos on Google Ads for the next few weeks. If you do want to see more videos like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you are a remodel business and you are looking to run Google Ads, I would be happy to just do a free consultation. We can connect, and if I can see that I can help you out, if so, we can potentially get a campaign up and running for you. Again, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.